Shaka! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home, here today to share with you an unboxing I've been asked to do by VIP Cross Stitch. I'll leave some information about their fabulous company in my description box below. There'll also be a discount code down there as well, so check it out. I found their products to be awesome. They have a great variety. They do sell cross-stitch products. They do have a cross of products you can use through some other craft products, but majority of it is for cross-stitch. If you want to know more about cross-stitching, there is lots of TikTok videos. You can search their website, which I said I will leave the link to the description in my description box below, as well as links to the products that I'm going to unbox for you today, so that if you find any of them interesting and you would like to purchase any of them, you can go directly to their website and the item. But let's get to the unboxing. I don't really remember what I got, so it's going to be a surprise for both of us. Okay. Sorry for the crinkling. But let me just get some of this open. And then we can, let me just take everything out of this. Make sure that's everything. It is. And let's check out what we got. So, I did purchase, wow, these are way bigger than I thought they would be, but they would hold lots of projects, so let me, oh yeah, you can put a whole collection in one of these bags. I'm sure they're used to save your projects, but like I said, look for the links to these items in the description box below. So these are the cross-stitch storage bags. So they're the storage bags for your tools. I believe that's what they're called on the website, but they have this handy zipper and this little whatever it is, but it makes it easier to open and close the bag. But look at how big it is. This thing is over 12 inches. So it is about 12 inches high, and it's approximately 15 to 18 inches wide. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So awesomeness. One of the next things, let's look in this box to see what this is. Where is my? Some kind of box in a box. Oh, I think this is that magnetic box. Magnetic needle case holder. If I can, here it is. You press the bottom, the top opens up. I believe this is magnet. I do have, maybe that's not metal. Let me see for some metal. Oh my goodness. No metal. I don't have anything. That's not even charging. Okay, so we're gonna have to come back with this when I can find something to test. Let me see if I have any. Nope. I don't have no needles in here, so I'll have to come back to test this. But that's the little magnetic case. We'll leave that there. Oh, and then I got some projects I ordered, and it comes with all of the stuff. Wow. So let's just open it up and find out what's in their projects. I don't do cross stitch, but I told them I would be more than happy to do an unboxing for them, and that's all they required. So I'm sorry I'm not going to do a project for you. Maybe in the future, maybe I'll use these items to learn on. But it looks like they give you all of the thread that you're going to need for the project, and that's quite a bit. I'm sure you will have enough. It looks like it's definitely enough. I don't remember what the picture was. Let me try to see if I can find that somewhere. It does come with all of this tools, a bunch of needles. I guess I can try those needles. And they put it into this fuzz ball so they're not loose and all over. But yeah, so there they are, the needles. I'm gonna leave them like that. So that's the needles, and then 2 different tools. I'm sure you that cross stitch will know what those are for. And here is what I got. It was Rapunzel's on this teacups. I don't know if that's the exact colors that are in there, but this is the pattern, and then the cloth. So yeah, so that's one of the kits. I'm assuming everything is here that you're gonna need to do these kits. And this is the other kit, the picture I chose. So, oh my gosh, how exciting. But I love that their kits come with everything. I'm sure you that cross stitch will appreciate those. Yeah, so find their information down there in the description box below. I hope you go and check out their website, vipcrossstitch.com. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!